Hey Northwest, I'm Kate Holland and this is your Northwest Minute. On Tuesdays during Zero Block, the library will be open for tutoring only. Please see Miss Higby, Miss Sumrall, Miss Buffington, Dr. Gilbert, the librarians, or scan this QR code for more information. Congratulations to the bowling teams on the successful 2023 season. They closed out the season on Monday at the MHSAA Championships at Fannin Lanes. The girls finished 7th and the boys finished 3rd. Congratulations also to the girls and boys basketball teams. They defeated Pearl in the district tournament Tuesday night and will defend their district championship tomorrow night. They will both play Terry. The girls will begin at 7 and boys will tip off at 8:30 at the Northwest Rankin Gym. NWRHS is sponsoring a fundraiser for Make-A-Wish Mississippi to help a critically ill child in Mississippi receive a wish. Donate by purchasing a star for a chance to win gift cards to the Cougar Coffee Shop, Paul Mart, and Berry Good. There will also be a contest for the teacher who sells the most stars. You can also donate to participating teachers and online at www.nwrdeca.com/wish. Tomorrow is the last day to donate. You have the power to light up the darkness. The NWR Thespians are hosting the Most Photogenic contest. Deadline for entry is February 13th. Check your student email for details. And finally, the 2 Mississippi museums will offer free admission on Sundays during the month of February. Northwest students and parents are encouraged to visit the Museum of Mississippi History and the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum on February 12th and February 26th from 1 to 4 p.m. Ms. Mercer will be there to greet students and provide special incentives for attending. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. Thanks for watching. I'm Kate Holland and we'll see you next time.